To the next video. In today's video of learning Vue, we will be looking into how to style our Vue components, as well as how to use the if as well as the else clause in Vue. So let's get started. So here you can see I'm using the same example which we were using before, but here I have added few variables inside our data component, like selected color, size, mode, birds, people, and this foods. So let's get started one by one. So here you can see that I have added an input of type number which take a V model of size. Okay, so if you remember, we have defined size over here, and I have applied some style. So if you want to apply some style like inline styles, you can use something like this. And also, if you just see, we have this div of class circle, right? I have also applied style to this, and this size variable is referenced in the width over here, the height, and this is the line height for it, and also I have rotated it by 30 degrees. Now if you try to increase the input, the size of the div also increases. So if you see, it keeps on increasing. So that's one thing. Next thing is so suppose you want to show some content based on conditional rendering. So you can use something like this: vf, velsef, and velse. So if if equal to mode equal to 1, then if you want, you can use triple equal to as well, but I have shied away from using triple equal to, because I want to display this p tags like based on this condition. And if you use triple equal to, and here we have to provide it as a string, right? And if you use triple equal to, then it will never satisfy, because triple equal to checks the data type as well. So here you can see, depending on what you have selected, it will be shown. Also, there is something called vshow. So if you don't use this, and if you only want to show this, like if you only have one element, then you can use something like vshow. So here you can see I'm showing this vif directive as well as vshow, but if I select velsif, that show is gone, and here we are just showing velsif. This is for velse as well, and if I use vif, then both are shown. So that's another thing. Next is how to loop over an element. So if you remember, we have this birds array. You can use something like bird comma index in birds v4, and you also have to use this key. So you can use either something like this, or you can use something like this. It depends on you. And here, whatever element you want, you can print it. So here I am just using the birds as bird as well as the index. Similarly over here as well, and you can loop over a JSON object as well. So here you can see I have a JSON object, and you can use something like value, key, and index inputs, and the key I have given it as value, and here you can print value, key plus index. So if you see over here, value, key, I think I messed it up a little. I think it should be key, value, and index. So this should be key, this should be value. Okay, now this should work fine. So first we are printing value, right? So yeah, this is value. So yeah, that is working now. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.